In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of experimentation and play when creating artwork. I will share how I bring these things into my own art making process and why it's such a powerful way to improve your painting skills and your artwork. I started this painting this past summer and I've painted on it during a few painting sessions. And I haven't done anything to it since. I wouldn't necessarily say I got stuck, but my original idea had changed. I thought I was going in one direction with the painting, but I lost the excitement about the idea. So it just stood there and I kept moving it around the studio and working on other paintings. A lot of my paintings go through this stage, but this one lasted for well over 2 months. I liked certain parts of the painting and didn't want to cover them up or ruin them. But those thoughts and feelings kept me from progressing with the piece. I guess I was waiting for an idea or inspiration to appear, and it just wasn't coming. Do you ever feel like that? You have time set aside for painting, but you are all out of ideas. This happens to all creatives, so this is normal, but oh boy, it can be so frustrating. Let me know in the comments if this ever happened to you, if you ever feel like this. Yesterday I thought, okay, I'm not going to create a good painting by waiting around, and the painting is no good as it is. So why not start covering up the areas I definitely don't like and then see what happens. I was trying out different painting techniques and listening to great music. And before long I was playing. It was fun, and gone was the expectation. Before I was too focused on the end result and not the process. Even if I've been doing this for years, I sometimes need a reminder of this. I want to keep my eye on the ball, which is in the here and now, not some painting at the end of the process. While I was painting and having fun, I remembered that I had bought some acrylic spray paint recently. So why not experiment with that and see what happens? I'm very new to spray paint, so I'm totally just trying things out. Working like this is different for me in the sense that I don't know where I will end up. And I don't know how the painting will look when it's finished. The process is that I try something out and I see how it looks and respond to that and deciding what my next step will be. So it's all about the process and trusting your intuition. Learning to listen to that voice inside you, the one that says, "Hey, what about some red paint over here?" Experimentation and playing with materials and different techniques are important, and I think very underrated, unfortunately. Experimentation and play makes you make more art because it's fun and exciting, and making more paintings will make you more experienced, and it will result in better paintings. So it's a win-win. I really can't recommend it enough that you do experiments, you try things out. And please don't worry about the end result. Sometimes it's okay, but not every single time. You need to give yourself a recess, a break once in a while to play and try things out. And you know, if it doesn't work out, if it gets ugly or you hate it, let it dry. You can paint it over and give it another go. Sure, we want to make nice paintings. Of course we do. But it is about the journey and the process. And practice, practice, practice. Why come we never hear of 3 quick tips to winning Olympic gold? We never hear about that. And of course that's because there are no quick ways to the Olympic gold. And there is no quick way to becoming a better painter. There is only practice. And why not make that practice fun and exciting and engaging? And it's like becoming an explorer in your own right. Explore and find out what you like and what you don't like. It's fun. So let go and give yourself permission to, just experiment. I'm sure you will have lots of fun and learn loads along the way. So I encourage you to give up the need to control the painting and instead allow yourself to try this. To help you loosen up, I created a free painting guide called 5 Proven Ways to Loosen Up Your Painting Style. I'll leave a link to the free guide below this video if that's something you are interested in. Thank you very much for the subscribes. Thank you for the likes and the comments. I will see you in another video real soon. Thanks for watching.